Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. That's cringe. Welcome to my YouTube. Okay, this is gonna be fun. I have wanted to make a YouTube for years. I was so deterred away from doing it just because I was so worried about how it would be perceived. I just want to do what makes me happy, and I love vlogging. I love being in front of the camera. I just love the process of creating, and I think it's going to be really fun to document my travel, my experiences. I hope you guys enjoy and come along for the ride. Today, I am flying to Europe, which is my favorite place to go for the summer. I'm so excited. We are starting in Greece, and we go Madrid, Rome, Paris. So if you know me personally, you would know that I am the absolute worst packer in history. I will either overpack by 30 pounds or underpack, and usually I'll have to wear my boyfriend's clothes or run out to the store. And I decided that this trip I'm gonna take my time and really make sure that I pack properly. So I saw a video on TikTok. Her name is Morgan. I'm gonna give her props. And I texted her. I said, you know what? That was a really freaking good idea, and I'm going to try and use that. It's just, it seemed like it was gonna take a lot of time, but for this trip, just because it is 2 months, I am gonna make sure that I pack appropriately. So basically what the video explains is her process in terms of packing. She uses her notes app as a way to categorize what she's gonna wear, where she's gonna wear it, whether it's a match day or practice day or dinner. And then that way she knows kind of what she is going to wear and what she needs to pack. And I think it was a really brilliant idea. I allotted 3 hours for this pack because I didn't know how long it would take to fully do it, but I'm going to try it.
Can't believe I believed everything we had, but less young and naive of me to think she was.
Next is going to be makeup and toiletries. I don't know about you guys, but I have to switch my toiletry bag at least twice a year. Things spill, it gets icky and gross, and I just feel like I've dealt with so many skin problems and like acne and stuff like that. I just want to make sure my stuff is clean and I'm not just putting bacteria on bacteria on bacteria and then splattering it all over my face. And I went to the best place on earth, which is Target, and I got this new one. I probably shouldn't be like using this knife. Ow.
I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong.
Yay! So cute. Cute. I could wear this out. Oh, cute. Oh, gosh.
Took me some time, but now I am strong because I realize I got myself, and that's all I got in it.
That's gonna be the new way I pack now. I think that was really efficient. I am trying to figure out which supplements and vitamins for the trip I should bring. I usually take B12, biotin, this turmeric. Sometimes I take activated charcoal, or especially if I go out. The next morning I take this activated charcoal and all is good in the hood. Then this vitamin D3. I'm really trying to get my hair to grow, and my hairstylist told me to take biotin and collagen. I usually take the collagen powder, this thing. I usually take this collagen powder, but I can't bring it with me. I can bring it with me. I'm not gonna bring it with me, it's too much. This is the pre-workout that I take. It's C4. I'm sure you've heard of it, but I take it religiously if I'm about to work out or go for like a nice long walk. I can go for miles and I'm just like that, like pure energy. Then I take this at night and in the morning, the Bloom. This is not sponsored, but I just really think it works. I take this for bloating and digestion at night and in the morning, and it keeps me like super like flushed and flat, and it feels good. Like after you eat and stuff, you feel like. Anyways, I'm gonna go take a shower, get changed, have some lunch, and then we're going to Europe. Okay, we are ready to go. This is my little airport fit. Something cozy, just this like 2-piece jogger set. This bag, I swear, is like 80 pounds. I think it's gonna be overweight. Stress.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen a hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet up. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give a game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style?
To Greece, Athens. Yes. Yes, 2 bags. Okay. And that's number 2. Slay. I was scared about the baggage weight, but made it through.
Alrighty, we are going to board out of gate 155 at 4:40. You are business class. You have access to the Star Alliance Lounge on the 6th floor. You just go up through security. You're good to go.
Thank you so much.
Have an excellent trip.
Thank you. I think that security is the most overwhelming 3 minutes you can go through. The way that my heart rate is like, if I don't do the right thing, they're gonna scream at me. It's funny because the main reason why I felt like I didn't want to vlog is because I was so scared of looking absolutely crazy just with this camera in my face all the time. But you know what? I have gotten to the point. Hi, how are you? What I was going to say is that I've gotten to the point where, you know, I want to use these vlogs and recording as memories to be able to look back in a few years and be like, oh my gosh, I remember that trip, I remember that moment, I remember that experience. I think that is superseding, if that's a word, the anxiety and shyness that I have with this camera in my face.
I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave this. I said I dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand.
You won't believe I just got ID'd. He thought I was like 19. I mean, I don't think I look that young. Maybe I do. I don't know. Black don't crack.
I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing.
Okay, first flight is Los Angeles to Munich. It is 11 hours, 50 minutes, which is long AF. I think that I will take about 3 melatonin and just knock all the way out, but it's boarding right now, so let me make sure that I'm in the right line.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. says, my body says, my body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is.
So I forgot the international charger at home, so my phone died, which is not good when you're traveling. I just bought a new one and it was like 70 euros, which is like ridiculous, but whatever, you do what you have to do. Just got a text message from Francis, and supposedly there's a dinner tonight that I have to go to with him, and it is at 7:30. The only issue is that I land at 6:30 and the airport is 30 minutes away from where we're staying. Thank God I did these braids, because laying down a wig or straightening or curling extensions takes a ridiculous amount of time. Say hi to the camera, mama. My YouTube, don't be fake, be normal. Oh my gosh.
But you got me going crazy. Can't you do it so amazing? How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you running my space.
So you just take the stuff out.
Okay, and put it.
Yeah, and then you shove him in and then zip him up.
I'm obsessed. The lady that I'm sitting beside is the sweetest ever. She just gave me this like stuffed pillow for my neck. It's so cute. Oh, slay. Was the prettiest landing I have ever experienced in my life. It was like you could see the ruins and the mountains and like
Madam, just for the confirmation, we're heading to the SA hotel, right?
okay, I have no idea
Okay, so
where we're
everything-
going,
alright,
but
alright, sure.
if that's what we're supposed to do,
No worries.
okay. But he said 20 to 30 minutes, so
Yes, it's
Okay.
the same direction.
okay.
Leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for les barrières, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly
Look at him! When?
To fall asleep and play.
So you're allowed to take melatonin? I thought you said it was
No, I
illegal.
said you did.
Oh. Yeah, I took 3. I think that it would be super high maintenance of me to show up to the dinner like 30 minutes late. So I'm not gonna like do a whole shower, all this stuff. I'll just shower when I get back and we'll just go straight there. You know what? Maybe I will shower. I've been flying, and what's an extra 10 minutes? One of the things that I've been trying to work on is not being such a people pleaser. I think that it's something that I have struggled with a lot, to where I'm constantly making decisions and living my life based on how other people want and how others might perceive it. For example, that shower. I was gonna go to dinner after traveling for 16 hours straight and not take a shower because I didn't want people to think that I was being a diva for being late for the dinner. Take the shower, okay? Take the shower. You go take the shower, I feel a lot better. So lesson number 1, don't be a people pleaser. Do what you need to do for yourself and keep moving. All right, let's get ready.
full speed, so for les barrières. ain't sleeping, I ain't stopping. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the process.
You know what you look like right now? You know, you know in that show Proud Family? You know that Wizard Kelly, how you could never see his face? You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about.
Duh.
Why you say you know the joke? You don't know the joke.
I didn't know what you're talking about. No time, ain't no time.
For the French Open, Francis is doing a collab with...
I gotta go for it. This crazy. Doing a collab with what IDK, ignorantly delivering knowledge. That's why his rap name is IDK, and he's from DC, from the DMV area. So am I, and he's got Sierra Leone roots, and he's with Nike, and so am I. And
then Francis's parents are from Sierra Leone.
My parents are from Sierra Leone,
and so they're doing a collab at the French Open because he has an album coming out, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we just... When are they trying to show this?
French Open.
Oh, so I can't put it on here. This is coming out next week. Anyways, I'll sneak peek it.
Stay tuned on the people.
Stay tuned. We are just in Greece for like... Well, Francis has been here. Francis, when did you get here, babe? He got here like 4 days ago and I just flew in. But there's this exhibition match that he's playing with another player. And I think the event is to promote like young up-and-coming players from all over the world. So that's pretty cool. I'm really excited to go tomorrow and see some of the kids play. I think it's really important to make sure that if you can, you should go and like see the juniors. It's really interesting to see where they start and where they finish. For example, Francis, when did you start playing tennis? When he was 3. And I've seen like some little cute little photos, I'll put them here, of him playing. And then to see like where he's started and where he is now is like pretty cool. It's 10:48. This is the most important day to sleep through the night. Right. Good morning, guys. It's like 9 a.m. I slept kind of horribly. I went to bed at midnight and I woke up at around 4 in the morning, and then I didn't want to wake up Francis, so I kind of just like wasted time on my phone. But I promised myself that I was going to make today special and try and get in as much as possible. So
snake. See? Ah, yeah, for your father. Fuck you and your father. You come with me in America.
wow.
Hey, what happened? What happened? No, you come with me in America.
She wanted you to be in America with her.
If you not come
George, you put it on her.
yeah, see. Let's go to embassy for the papers.
What?
Money. You eat my money, see. What money, stupid? You eat my money.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. I'm here, I have my family, I have 2 children.
Good
I'm
for
working.
you. Good for you, George. I did the worst thing ever. I took a midday nap. I said it was going to be for 1 hour. It ended up being an hour and a half, but I feel so much better. Also, the products that I'm using are making my skin glow so much and clear up. I'm so thankful. God is good. I feel like I'm in that like Vogue, get ready with me with this lighting. Okay, let's go get ready. We're gonna head over to the site and watch this tennis expo. paired it with this brown Chanel vintage bag that I bought in Tokyo and these white sneakers.
I'm putting in my deja vu that I just got.
You gotta.
We'll do that and then the Greek salad.
Okay. You want tacos?
No tacos.
No tacos.
Like I always, my eyes are always really like to the side.
Oh, my eyes are always up to the side. That's what I'm telling you. That's why I pose it to my friend. Oh. I'm gonna send you like a quick summary of what they look like.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room.
In Greece, you do not use the toilet paper and flush it. You're not supposed to do that because, like, you can see the note here. That's because
Are you fucking flying on the toilet paper?
it's systemic. What is going on? Okay.
Making love. Going to Madrid.
What's this? What's it? Okay, come on, we're gonna be late. Have you seen that movie Sound of Music?
What's that about?
Oh, it is around 7:45 and we are about to fly from Athens to Madrid and we're just getting ready. One thing about us is we're always late and I'm really trying to make sure that we fix that because I do understand that it's probably annoying to everybody. So we're trying to hurry and get downstairs by 8:15. We couldn't fit everything into one elevator, so we made 2 trips. And I just brought my stuff and this tennis bag.
I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry, but spill milk. Need a paper towel, give me another value. Give me another hour or 2. Hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you cool better than you do. Call me looking for you. I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. We do whatever we want. Go wherever we want. Love whatever we want. It don't matter. You do whatever I want. Get whatever I want. Get whatever I need. It's about
Coffee or tea? Tea. It's like a chai tea latte?
Yep. I get fresh to try.
It's hot?
Yeah.
It's hot. It's hot. So
just sip it.
Sorry, I'll move that out of the way.
The worst thing I've ever had in my life.
Yeah, there's a
surprise them. Skirt on beaches. Don't know these features. Big dirt on beaches. Do it for fun. Don't take it personal, baby. Love on my lady, love to my lady. Dated a few.
Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you were the one that left me here. Me here. Like my side. That's that most city, that's high, that you can't go around at night. You like to get me high, you know I know I'm Messiah. You like when I make fire, you say the flame can make you fire. Let me come inside you, let me plant that seed inside you.
Just got into our hotel in Madrid. Francis, how was the flight?
It was good. Got some rest.
Francis was knocked the whole time. Update, we did not go and get anything to eat. We got in bed, told ourselves that we were gonna nap for 10 minutes, and it's 3 hours later. Francis just left to go warm up for his next exhibition, which is, I don't think it's even an exhibition. It's just not a regular tennis match. It's called tiebreak tennis, and basically it's this event where a couple different players play in a draw, and they're playing only tiebreakers instead of full matches. It doesn't count for any points, but I think the winner gets a big check. I was going to show you guys the beautiful spread they had laid out for us when we came to the hotel, but obviously Francis took a huge chunk out of it, so it's not as aesthetically pleasing, but they gave us this like chocolate, and then they wrote this note: "Dear Mr. Tiafoe, welcome to the NH collection, and we wish you a wonderful stay with us. Do not hesitate to reach out for any further inquiries." I really love when they do little things like this, because especially the guys are on the road a million weeks of the year, and you know, little things matter, and it makes them feel a little bit at home or cared for. So if any hotels see this video, continue doing it. It's really cute. As I've started to travel more and more, I have way more respect. Not that I didn't have respect before, but my respect has gone through the roof for these players, because they're just expected to perform and be there when they're coming off the plane. Like, they could be in a different city, different time zone. It's like, go perform. There's no time to rest. There's no time to sit. There's no off time. So unlike other sports, like for example, I'll take basketball. Yeah, it's definitely a grueling sport, but you're playing within the same country. You have days off, you know, you get to go home. You get to see your friends, your family, your children. Like, these guys are going from one city to another city with the time change, with weather change. And it's just like, Francis goes, changed, picks up his bag, he's out the door, he's practicing again. They should get paid more. Sorry, I said it. They are not getting paid half as much as they should be compared to what other athletes get for the amount of work and the grind that they put in. But c'est la vie. Someone just rang on the door and said we had a package. I was so excited. I thought it was something that I had sent here to Madrid, but it was Francis's Cliff Bars. He is sponsored by them, and he absolutely loves these bars. Yummy! What do we got? Got the energy blocks that he eats like it's candy. Got his favorite flavor, white chocolate macadamia nut. More blocks. More blocks. So, safe to say he's not gonna have any energy problems here in Madrid. Okay, so in bathrooms, if there's not a lot of like space on top of the kitchen sink, this is usually how it goes. As you can see, we put all the crap and then Francis's little corner. Then I get the whole other side. So we have like makeup brushes, skincare. Already now we're going to head to transportation and try and get a shuttle over to the site. I have never been there before, so I'm excited to see it and show you guys what it looks like.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Did I see? No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up, and then we hit.
You're traveling all the time. Laundry is like one of the biggest issues, just because you go through so many clothes. These guys are going through like 3 outfits a day. So for example, we just came here from Athens. Francis gave in some of his dirty clothes to the laundry, and he has nothing to wear for tomorrow's practice. So I will now be doing his laundry in the sink. He needs clothes for tomorrow morning, and there's too fast of a turnaround, and nothing's open right now. It's 1 a.m. So I'll wash these, hang them out, hopefully they dry, and if they don't, I'll start blow drying in the morning and get them dry for his practice. So that's that.
Baby, I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later.
That was bleak.
Show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses.